Hello students, welcome to the science class. Now today we are going to start the new chapter coal and petroleum. So what are the learning objective of this chapter? Now the learning objectives, you are able to understand the different types of natural resources. What are the different natural resources? Now understand the formation and the composition of coal and petroleum. What are the composition of coal and petroleum? Knowing about the extraction and refining of petroleum. Now, these are the learning objectives which you will learn after this chapter. Okay. Now, students, resources. Resources, the material that living organisms have been using from their environment for their survival. So, the things which we are using from the nature, from our environment for our सर्वाइवल जो भी चीजें हम अपने सराउंडिंग से लेते हैं अपने सर्वाइवल को के लिए फॉर मेकिंग आवर लाइफ बेटर दे आर नोन एज रिसोर्सेज okay. Now the natural resources, as the word natural means which are given by the nature, things obtained from the nature such as plants, animals, soil and minerals. What are they? They are the natural resources. Natural resources and the man-made resources. Man-made resources are also known as the artificial resources. Artificial means by using the natural resource, the things which we have made, they are known as the artificial resources. Artificial resources as cement. Cement क्या है? एक artificial resource है, which is made by the use of the natural resources. वो हमने किससे बनाया है? By using the natural resources को use करके हमने artificial resource बनाया है. Okay. Now the artificial resources we are also using in our daily life and the natural resources. So the natural resources are further divided into two groups, that is exhaustible and inexhaustible. Exhaustible means which are available in a limited amount. जो हमारे पास एक fixed amount में available है, they are known as exhaustible as water, coal, petroleum, mineral and forest. And inexhaustible which are available in a अनलिमिटेड क्वांटिटी, जिनकी हमारे पास अनलिमिटेड क्वांटिटी है. सो व्हाट आर दीज आर सनलाइट, विंड एंड एयर. सो ये कभी नहीं खत्म होने वाले हैं. ओके. नाउ वाटर, कोल, पेट्रोलियम, मिनरल एंड फॉरेस्ट, they are available on the earth in a limited amount, so that's why they are known as exhaustible. As you know that due to the deforestation we are facing the problem of global warming. Yes, the temperature of the earth is increasing day by day. So what is the reason? Because the area of forest is reduced. Because forests, they are available in a limited amount. So what is the effect? Due to the deforestation, the temperature is increasing. And after some time, what happened? If the process of deforestation is going on continuously in the same way, so what happened? We don't have any forest after some time. Okay. Now we will face the problem of fresh air. Clear, students? So these are the exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Next, now the fossils fuel. As the fossils fuel formed by the natural bacterial decomposition of buried dead plants and animals under extreme heat and pressure. The three major kind of fossils fuel are coal, petroleum and natural gas. The word fossils means the dead remains of the living organism. Okay. Now the dead remains of the living organism either on the earth or inside the water bodies. Okay. As the dead remains of the plants, they convert into the coal. So the three major kinds of the fossil fuel are coal, petroleum and natural gas. So what happens? The fuel formed by the natural bacterial decomposition of buried dead plants and animals. So the dead plants and animals, they buried inside the earth. And due to the heat, as you know, as you will move inside the three layers of the earth, that is crust, mantle and core, as you are moving inside that the temperature is also increasing and the pressure also increases. Due to that, slowly it convert into coal, petroleum and a natural gas. So now we will discuss first of all about the coal. Coal, It is a type of a carbon. ये क्या होता है कार्बन का? It's a form of a carbon. कार्बन की एक form है. It is black or brownish black rock like substance made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Now the various amount of the sulfur, it depends the amount availability of sulfur. Maybe in some part it is less sulfur is available, in some the more sulfur is present in coal. So what happened? The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Okay. Now the carbonization is the process by which that the vegetation turn into a coal. Vegetation से coal बनने का जो process है, it takes a millions of year. It's not a short time process. ऐसा नहीं कि 2-3 घंटे में कोई पेड़ गिरा जमीन के नीचे दबाया आपने और turn into a coal. No, it's not happened. It takes a millions of year. इसमें हजारों साल लगते हैं. That's why we are using the fossils fuel wisely, because they take too much time in their formation. So the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation, the process by which the dead vegetation turn into a coal is known as carbonization. So we can classify the carbon into the different groups such as, now increasing the moisture content. On the basis of increasing the moisture content, now increasing heat and the carbon content. As these two arrows they are showing you here, that is the less moisture and peat, it contain the first one more. Same here as increasing the heat and the carbon content, maximum carbon content. Clear? So first one it is classified into a 4 parts. First one is known as peat, second one is known as lignite, third one is known as bituminous, and the fourth one is known as anthracite. Okay, it's not a coal, it's a brownish in color, it's a soft coal, and this is anthracite, which contain the maximum amount of carbon. It is the hard substance. Now the partly decayed carbon matter in soil and blocks with a low heat content, so it is known as peat. Now but here in the case of lignite, the low heat content, low sulfur content and the limited supply in most areas. So first what happens, as the vegetation covered inside the earth, so what happened, first they turn into peat. Okay, after that this peat convert into lignite. Clear? Now then the lignite, it convert into a soft coal that is known as bituminous. Extensive use as a fuel because of its high heat content. ये क्या करता है, ज्यादा heat content release करता है. Peat less heat, lignite more than peat, and bituminous more than lignite. Heat content and the large supply, and it has the high content of the sulfur is present in that bituminous. The best coal that is known as the anthracite, which contain the maximum amount of carbon, highly desirable fuel because of its high heat content. It releases the maximum heat. Low sulfur content, sulfur का content less होता है. Supplies are limited in most areas. So now the anthracite, it is the best quality of coal because it contains more amount of carbon. So now students, revise the taught portion. Thank you. Have a nice day.